Hey guys, well, I am back with another video. Hold on, let me turn down my volume right quick. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing today is building another crawler. This truck is my new trail truck. And this morning, like a few minutes ago, I seen on YouTube that someone built a map on this game with a bunch of trails for roleplay. And that's what I do. So, here's my new trail truck. I hope y'all like it. I did not buy this. Well, I did, but my crawling American flag truck, that is this. Alright, so we're gonna take this out, go test it. Once we're gonna test it. This afternoon I might make a video about the crawler, but I'm gonna buy it now. I gotta go get some money, then I got to buy the thing. Y'all can skip ahead if y'all want to. It's your choice. I'm gonna have to take that back wheel steering off. Alright, we found a box. Let's see how much is in it. That's enough right there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and buy it. I decided that I'd rather have a Ford crawler and a Ford trail truck and a Jeep crawler. Now we got $2,000 left after I just bought that. There's been a glitch happening on this game. I don't know what it's doing. I think it's glitching out. But when I go to play, the thing gets all weird and stuff. It's hard to explain. But the game gets weird. Like, how it gets weird is when I go buy stuff and it just doesn't take away any of my money, but it says I bought it. If that's happening to y'all on y'all's, please tell me. It's keep on happening, and then I keep on getting free money out of the middle of nowhere. It just adds up money, and I am not a member. So I don't know. So yeah, this is our crawler. Alright, let's go play. Alright guys, this is taking way too long. I'm just gonna cancel it out. Please cancel. And there we go. It canceled. Okay. Let's just go out on Rock Park. Let me turn it down. Alright guys, we are in the map. The steering is a whole lot better now. Let's see if I can go up this. Will I have enough groundage? I don't know. Will I? Nope. I thought I did. Hold up. Let me get on both of them. I might have it. Oops. Stop sinking and I might have it. My truck keeps on sinking. Come on. Nope. Not enough groundage. Alright, guys. I can't get up that one. Maybe up this way. I'm gonna want to take a left. Go this way. Right now I'm just making my own trails. Boom, 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 boom. It ain't making it up that. See? Truck's too high to make it up this side. Now let me go down this side. Whoa! I'm just gonna take the mud all the way over. I don't even need high gear or stiff lock or 4-wheel drive, but it makes me go faster. Whoa, it made it up like nothing. Wow, this truck is a monster. I might make a trail 4-wheeler. Ooh, look at that flex. It made it up because it's not really my... Oops, and I think I'm stuck. Wait, no, this truck can't get stuck. It's the monster machine. It's the monster machine. Oh, 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 oh. Yep. And I'm making it. It's just the good old boys. Wait, what? How am I not getting up over that? Never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw. Been in trouble with the law since the day they were born. Flatten the curves. This is exactly where I got stuck last time. My wheels are not that big. Alright, we respawned. We're about to go try that again. Same place because I don't give up. I will keep on trying. I'm not gonna go in the mud because it takes too long to get over there. I'll go in the mud when I get up, like right here. Making my way the only way they know how. Been in trouble with the law since the day they were born. No. Look how much I ruined my truck. I think that's impressive that I made it all the way up there with the ruined truck. If you don't play this game still, look in the bottom right corner. But it's not all the way. That middle thing. It's on there. And it has a wrench and a screwdriver on it. That's how much my truck is broken when it's down. Now when it's all filled up, that's when it's all good. I can't believe one guy on YouTube said that this game is boring, and then a whole bunch of people agreed with him. Let me reset again. Okay, I resetted. Put it in front wheel drive. Okay, if I don't make it up that way this time, then I'm gonna be mad. It ain't really a rock crawler, so it shouldn't really even make it up this. Shouldn't even be going up it. And plus, if I make it up it this way, it'll be my first time making it up this way. I usually make it up that muddy way, not this way, because I'm not sure where to go or anything like that. for and that one was a nope. Alright, guys. It proves that I could not make that one because my truck is not made for rock crawling. And the groundage is not clear with that one. And the speed isn't good on the truck. So, as y'all know, when I get home from school, I will make another video of this one right here. And this is gonna be my new crawler. Alright guys, as you know, I make one mornings and night, so I will see you tonight. See you tonight. Bye.